No choice but to drive funny. Jeez, look at the gravel.
You guys okay?
Yes, thanks. We managed. Thank you.
Oh, okay.
Thank you so much.
One of my guests phoned me and said you guys were stuck. No, this road is very bad.
It's amazing.
It's amazing.
Ha 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 ha. Navara.
Yeah.
Wow. Amazing.
Thank you.
Telebo.
That's our plan.
Telebo. Thank you, Mama.
Okay, bye.
Telebo.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Okay, good luck. That's right. Now, should we wait for the...
What if it turns out to be poisonous? I don't think these are Americans.
But Americans live in...
I don't.
No. How's your raw pizza?
It's okay.
And your mixed juice?
Much better.
Much better mixed.
What's in my pizza?
It's a flax and oats base with cashew cheese, dried or dehydrated mushrooms, tomato and microgreens.